Well, hello everyone. I guess I've been warming up my vehicle because of the snowstorm that started yesterday, Friday, has continued today, Saturday. Hopefully, in this evening, it should be finished. And I'm heading out my car, going into my house now. You can follow me if you like. Yeah, it has been snowing pretty good. A strong snowstorm. Oh yeah. My car. There's a snow. So it's snowing pretty strong, people. Pretty strong. Okay, no joke. This is how the street looks. Look. Welcome to America. Where it snows, where it's windy, where it's very cold. And when it say to snowstorm, it snowstorms a lot. And very good. Well, here in Connecticut, I could speak for Connecticut. I guess I'm heading back inside the house to keep myself warm. Stay safe. Take care.